Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming the world's sharpest audience to NumberRoyale today. We've got Kuku, Ratna MJ, Hariharan KS, Beard Boy 01. We've got a lot of rapid scrolling going on the chat window. Kumaran, Jayamani, Hema, Rasiga Venkat. Let me see. Who else? Mango Math Star, Wilson, Abhinesh. That's a new name I have not seen before. P. Srinath is here as well. Chacha. So Raghavi. Welcome each and every one of you. I hope you're having a great day and I hope this show makes it a little bit better. We have the all correct version or elimination that's we're going to play today. $5 to be shared by the winners. So all you have to do is to get all the 9 puzzles correct. And we also, if you don't get the first 8 right, you can use a life to jump back in. And the last one, of course, you cannot use a life. So it's a very simple game at that point. So make sure that you have lives in hand and you solve them correctly. So it's no need to match with anybody else. So before we get started, here's a simple riddle for you. This is take away my first letter, I sound the same. Take away my last letter, I sound the same. Take away the middle letter, I sound the same. Take away all these 3 letters, I still sound the same. What word is it? So first, middle, last, either take them away individually or all of them. You still sound the same. So Deepu Vetri 18 comes back with a bang. 8 empty is the correct word. I guess congratulations are in order for Deepu Vetri, who knew it right off the bat. And snake, ladder, empty, yeah. Joker and Queen 18 also got the right word. So that's what I've always been amazed at, how sharp our audience is. The world's sharpest audience, as we get ready to start question number 1. 7, 1, 4. The desired result is 4. Solutions, 8 possible solutions. So how do you get 4 from 7, 1, and 4? So 4 is already there. So I guess you have to go through 4 to get it. Is it 7 minus 4 plus 1? 10 questions. Yeah, there is a survey question thrown in there, Joker and Richard. So that's why. So 54 of you have gotten this correct. And 39 of you have given the most popular answer, 7 minus 4 plus 1 equal to 4. So 54 of you are moving on to the next question, number 2. 9, 2, and 12. How do you get 30 from these 3 numbers? Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. There are 4 possible solutions, and all of them are equally valid. Survey questions, yes. And survey question is coming up in, I think, either the 3rd question or the 4th question. So let's see how many of you get this correct. 42 of you. Wow, I didn't realize it was a bit tricky, but we have 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 12 equal to 30. 29 of you have solved it this way. So, use a life, jump back in. I'm surprised that we lost some players on question 2. So let's see. Let's see what question 3 brings. Is that the survey? Yeah. So how many lives should we allow in elimination games? 0, 1, 2, or more? Just give us your opinion. I know we are using 2 lives these days. If we give you more lives, allow you to use more lives, it becomes not challenging. 0 lives, of course, it becomes very tough. So let's see what you guys think. I'm curious. So when will we reach 100 questions? 0 lives, nobody wants it. All right. One life, only 10 of you. So you want it to be a little bit challenging. 2 or more, 34. So, all right. So you all want an easy life. You want lives, and therefore, okay, that's good. Just wanted to find out how you feel about using 2 lives or more. We were thinking whether we should reduce it down. So, thank you for your opinion, and let's move on to question 4. 27, 16, and 28. The desired result is 15. Addition, subtraction, and division are in play. So how do you get 15 from 27, 16, and 28? So there is a division in there. I don't know how that's going to play into it. I don't think there's going to be a division with these big numbers involved in it. It's just a subtraction and addition game. So 49 of you, oh good, I'm glad 7 of you used lives and jumped back in. And 42 of you have given the correct answer. 28 minus 27 is 1. 16 minus 1 equal to 15. So we have almost 50 players moving on to question 5. Decimals. 3.15 is what we need. 5.4, 6.1, 1.25, and 7.1. Addition, subtraction are the only operators available. 60 possible solutions. And I'm trying to see Joker or Richard, Kausalya have all gotten the answer. So I'm glad we have at least a few who gotten it right. We always wonder what happens if nobody gets it right. 44 of you, great job. 44 of you have gotten it right. 31 of you gave the most popular answer. So it was 7.1 minus 6.1 is 1. 5.4 minus 1.25, and then minus 1 gets you the desired result. So 7 out of 60 possible solutions given. So 44 of you moving on to question 6. 8, 7, 4, and 3. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So it's 68 is the desired result. So 12 possible solutions. So looks like there is some multiplications going to be involved in this. Is that 1 multiplication? Is it 2 multiplications and then addition? All right. So it always gets a little bit tricky when there are 2 multiplications. But in this one, it was straightforward, I think. 8 times 7 is 56, and then 4 times 3 is 12. So that gives you 68. We lost a few players. We are down to 35 after question 6. And let's take a look at what question 7 brings. 9, 2, 5, and 11. And 24 is the desired result. All 4 operators are available to you. This is a veritable buffet of all operators available. Take what you want and use them and see how you can get 24. 24. I'm furiously trying to multiply and subtract and divide and all that stuff. I didn't get the answer. So I'm glad you're all there to help me out with the answers. Wow, we're down to 18. 18 players got 9 times 2 is 18. 11 minus 5 is 6. And add them up, you get 24. 10 of you gave that most popular answer. 5 out of 20 solutions given. And we have 18 players plus whoever can use live. Moving on to question 8. Fractions and 5/6, 3 by 2, and half. And we've got addition, subtraction, and multiplication with a desired result of 7 by 6. How do you get 7 by 6? From 5/6, 3 by 2, and half. 12 possible solutions, and every one of them is equally acceptable. Looks like I see a few positives here. And somebody asked about 100 questions. You want a marathon of 100 questions? I don't know whether we can keep everybody awake for 100 questions. 16 of you have given the correct answer. And let's see. 16 of you have given the correct answer. And 8 out of 12 possible solutions has been given. So, excuse me. So it's 5/6 plus 3 by 2. And then there is a multiplication. So you get an answer and then you have to multiply it by half to get it. And Harigarasu then says he lost it, was a little bit tough. Yeah, there is a multiplication that you have to use the sum and then do it. So, and there was a button issue. I'm not sure whether it's a connectivity issue. We'll have our engineers take a look. So let's see what question number 9 brings. 13, 9, 14, and 6. Desired result of 88. Additions, all 4 operators available. Once again, all operators are available, and see what we can come up with. How do you get 88? There are 16 possible solutions, and we got 13, 9, 14, 6. So I can only guess that there's going to be a couple of so I think when the buttons are not working, I heard that if you're trying to push, really fast, that may be one issue. So just take it easy on your devices. And 17 of you have given the correct answer to the last but one question. 5 out of 16 solutions have been given. 14 times 6 is 84, and then 13 minus 9 is 4, gives you 88. 10 of you have given that most popular answer. So let's go take a look at what algebra brings. 3x minus 3, 3x plus 4y, 4, and addition and subtraction only, x and y. What values of x and y would you give to get 19? So yeah, you can play because this is an elimination match, right? So, and somebody is giving clues, and they're saying, 3, 2 can be used. In fact, yeah, I saw somebody give an answer. Any value of x would be fine because there are 2 3x's in the equation. So they will cancel each other out. 1 and 5 works. I have answers. Y equal to 3 is one possible answer. So, I mean, you could have used any combination, as you know. 19 of you have given the correct answer, and 9 out of 32 solutions have been given. So great job, everyone. Let's go take a look at who the 19 winners are. 19 winners have won 26 cents apiece. Let's go take a look at who they are in no particular order. Queen 18, Selvi 17, Quarantine is back. No, there's no COVID-19. Jeffy, Shri, Birdie Flurry, Kyle, Sujata, SD, Strange Thinker, Kausalya Parni, Guhan, Sai Star, Rashiga Venkat, Ritish, Deepu Vetri 18, KPMJ, Cuckoo. You know me. Congratulations to each and every one of you. We have an interesting show coming up with bigger prize money, more winners tomorrow. Kamachi will be hosting it, a special show coming up. All right. So thank you all for playing. And remember, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero. Play NumberRoyale every day. See you all in a couple of days. Until then, this is Saktivel saying bye for now.